Hi guys, welcome to another section of our quote. So today we'll take it further. Uh, it's Microsoft Word, still on Microsoft Word. I want to learn how to use tables in Microsoft Word. So there are scenarios where you need to create things or documents in tabular form, which does not involve, let's say, calculating and so on, but just a document in tabular form. So how do we do that? So we've been using this section of our panel here, which is this home. So now we'll go to insert. Then you look at for table, this table here. See my mouse on it, click on table. I'll show you two methods of adding table to your workspace, your documents. So these are the rows, these are the columns. So let's say I want three rows and let's say four columns. So I just need to highlight them, three rows, four columns, and release man from the mouse. We have this. Yeah. If you want to delete your table, you click on this plus symbol here, click on delete and delete table. So let me show you that process again. So insert, go to table. Let's say I want to add 5 rows. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, correct. Remove your hand from the mouse. We have this. This is first method, but if it's not clear enough, I've show you the other method. So highlight again, or you just click on this plus here. You can highlight also, that works too. You can highlight, click on this, and delete table. Okay. Second method is insert. Go to table, go to insert table. Then we'll specify number of rows and columns we need. So let's say I need 3 columns. Then here I need let's say 5 rows. I will click on OK. And we have this. So let's put data into our table. So let's say continent, countries, and capital. So let's start filling them. So here, continent, let's say Africa, Nigeria, Abuja, Africa again, let's say Ghana, and we have Accra. So Africa again. Let's use Ethiopia. I think we Addis Ababa. Think I'm correct. Or let's quickly confirm so I don't get that wrong. So that's Addis Ababa. So I think we got that right. Addis Ababa. There's Addis Ababa. So we have that. Okay, let's go to other regions. We have Europe. We have England. Forgive my typo. England. Why am I typing wrongly? England. Then we have London. Now we've exhausted the rows. How do we add additional rows to it? Very easy. Just bring your cursor down here, last part of the row, that lower part, click on the plus. Click on the plus. Now you've added another row. So you have a row. I'll say Netherlands. Then you should have Amsterdam. Then click on that same place again. I'll click on it. So we have Europe again. I'll say Spain, Madrid. Then come here again, click on this plus symbol. Let's go to Asia. So we have India, we have New Delhi, let's go to so we have click have Asia, show Japan, we have Tokyo here, add another, we have Asia, show China, we have Beijing. Now we have a table drafted on Microsoft Word, and we have how many rows? Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 rows and 3 columns. So this is how to insert table into your document and how to fill or add different data to the tables that you have in your document. That's the rows, the column, which makes up the table. Then, okay, let's say for example, I have SS column row here that I want to delete. All I need to do is highlight. Let's highlight this. You'll see this pop up here. Click on delete and click on delete rows. You should have the pop up too on your Microsoft Word, irrespective of the version you are working with. Now I've deleted that rows, but I still need those rows, so I will Control Z to bring them back. So that's how I do that. If I want to give, let's say, this major, the heading of the table, and to make them bold, I'll click on this bit tag here, just like we've always done to our text. We can increase the size, let's say, so 12. I can shade it. So all you need to do is just go to, make sure you highlight, your table is highlighted, yeah, and then go to design, go on shading. So let's give it blue color. We have this. So we'll stop here. Then our next video will show you a lot more information and other things we can do with tables in Microsoft Word. Thank you very much.